Ollie trauma sama chicken nugget. Kemudian Ollie jadi agak benci sama chicken nugget soalnya waktu Ollie SD, Ollie kan suka dibawain bekal kan ya. So, what happened was, every time my mom's done cooking chicken nuggets, like while it's still fresh and hot, she'd instantly put it in a Tupperware. And if she puts it in the Tupperware, then the apa sih? Wap apa sih? Wap apa dah? Wap. Yeah, the steam. So like if you put chicken nuggets instantly inside a Tupperware while it's still really hot, it'll steam, right? And because it steams, like the steam will eventually turn to water and it'll make the Tupperware really mbeki, soggy. Yeah. Ever since then, I kind of don't want to eat chicken nuggets because soggy nuggets are just a no-no.